Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you know that quarantine time is going on all over the world right now, and we are all locked down due to this. Um, uh, actually, 4 people have been affected in my area, so my area is also locked down with the other areas as well. So I'm just finding ways to do something. So I was thinking that you are also being bored about what to do and what not to do, what can you do in this quarantine time. So I've got 5 ways or 5 things to do while you're in quarantine, so for which we can just spend our time properly. So I'll start from the last and then to the first. So my fifth one, which is the fifth one, is that do your stuff, household stuff, household cleaning, everything. Like clean, if you're a student like me, clean your bed sheets, then your almirah, your desk where you read, everything. Just you can clean just little things or bigger things, your way. Then you can also help your mom in cooking, doing just household works, whatever you like to do. Just do certain things. It will obviously affect your timing of spending, how you can spend it. Fourth one is you can talk or chat with your friends, relatives. They are always available because they are also going through this whole phase of quarantine time, so they are also sometimes bored, or you need time or they need time sometimes. So you can talk to them, talk to your friends, to spend time more. If you really like to talk, if you have your best friend, your close friend, whoever you have, you can talk to them anytime. Like I do that. Obviously I also do household works. So yeah. Third one is reading books. That is reading books. So I'm currently reading The Sun Is Also a Star. You can also spend your time through reading books. I love reading books. You already know that through my video. Whoever of you like reading books or not like reading books, you can obviously read books to start something. You can, and you can start off any English book, Bengali book, whatever book you like. So my desk is filled up with books, so I spend time reading books as well. Second, so the second one is interesting, as the second one is gaming. Like we know, most of the people love gaming. I mean, whoever don't like reading books or something, they obviously love gaming, because gaming is a certain thing that my brother also do. Like my small brother, younger brother, he loves to play games. He just always plays games, and also he makes videos of games. So yeah, maximum people love games. So gaming is the second one through which you can actually spend your time, because gaming actually helps. Most of the people love gaming. I don't play a lot of games, but most of the people do. So gaming is a huge way to spend your time, because when you're addicted to something or you are always playing, you just spend your time properly, casually, like my friend as well. So the first way, which is we all spend through, and it's a very obvious one, that is watching YouTube. So we all love to watch YouTube, don't we? We always are on YouTube. My video is being uploaded on YouTube. We watch series, then songs, films, everything on YouTube, because we find everything in YouTube, and it is the largest source of entertainment for us in the internet, social place, or whatever you say. Like in your place, you get the huge time in social media. More than social media, we spend on YouTube maximum time, because we like to listen to songs and do certain things. We watch certain videos. We know about a lot of things, then through YouTube, obviously. And YouTube is the second highest search engine of the whole world. So yeah, YouTube, the first one. So these were my 5 ways through which you can spend your quarantine time with some work, and also you love that things. So you can also follow them. So this is my thing to for today, my content, that 5 ways to spend your quarantine time. So I hope I'm really helpful. I did some help to you, and spend your time. Wish, stay home, stay safe, and until next time, bye bye.